Every year we field a lot of inquiries for filter carts. They can be a cost-effective way to maintain many assets that use the same oil type. However, if you have been one of those who inquired, no doubt you have heard us mention the Sawtooth Curve. So what is it and why does it matter? Well, this is the Sawtooth Curve, and it is a depiction of the oil cleanup process when using a filter cart. It comes down to simple math. The overall cleanup effect of any given filter cart is a function of how long it can run on an asset divided by how many assets you intend to filter. The longer the filter time, or the fewer the number of assets to filter, the cleaner the oil will be. If we stretch this curve to simulate longer filter times, eventually you will arrive at a permanent filtration situation where the filter can really polish and maintain the system at the optimum cleanliness. This is great for that asset, except that the catch is while you are cleaning this one, the others are all getting dirtier because leaving the cart on one longer means less time on the others. If we try to offset that by filtering shorter each time and moving it more frequently, you can see that eventually the net effect on cleanliness would amount to slightly better than doing nothing. So no matter what, you will always be riding a fine line of compromise, and every system is going to be different to achieve acceptable results. The best thing to do then is to set practical cleanliness targets and use oil analysis to help you determine when and where to move the cart next. The most important thing to remember is that the filter cart should never sit idle. Always make sure it is filtering something all the time, or it is of no benefit whatsoever. Next is to use those analysis results to prove why more filtration is better, and to help justify why permanent kidney loop filters are the ultimate bang for your filtration buck.
If you'd like to improve your oil filtration program and the oil cleanliness in your equipment, feel free to reach out to us at the link below or send us an email, and we'd like to collaborate with you.